Do you have a dream of scoring up to 75 by 75 in intermediate maths of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? Do you want the pass guarantee intensive classes or videos? Do you want to learn the mathematics from zero to hero level? Then this is the right place for you. Please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes. Determinants, exercise 4.6. So question number 15, if A is equals to 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 2, find A inverse using, okay, so using A inverse solve the system of equations 2x minus 3y plus 5z is equals to 11, 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equals to minus 5, x plus y minus 2z is equals to minus 3. Okay. So when we compare the other problems and this problem, we have small difference here. After finding the A inverse only, okay, so we solve the system of linear equations, Okay. So now what is given in the question? So first we take the given matrix here. So what is given, ma? Given A is equals to 2 minus 3, 5. Next 3, 2 minus 4. 1, 1 minus 2, right? Okay, so now find the determinant of A. How to find the determinant of A? Det A is equals to 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 2. So tell me, ma, expansion. Okay, so 2 into, close the row and column. Okay, wherever we have the element 2, okay, close that particular row and column. Okay, so then whatever the elements left, so we have to find out the determinant after, right?
Yes.
Okay, so next, after that, minus of minus 3.
Plus 3.
Plus 3, okay. So we have to close that row and column again. Okay, so that means 3, what are the elements left?
Minus 4, 1 minus 2.
Yes, right. Okay. So next, after that,
Plus 5.
plus 5 into
3, 2, 1, 1.
Yes. Okay. We have to close the row and column. So 3, 2, 1, 1. 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay. Now we have to find out the. Okay. So determinant of 2 by 2. Okay. Here, how do we multiply the product of these two minus these two? Product of these two minus these two. Product of these two minus these two. Okay. So that means here 2 into minus 2 minus 4 into 1. Minus 4 into 1. Minus into minus plus 3 into. Okay. 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into 1. Minus 4 into 1 plus 5 into, okay, here 3 into 1 minus 2 1 time. Okay, so what we get, ma, 2 times is minus 4 minus plus 4 1 time is 4 plus 3 into 3 2 times is 6. Okay, here plus and minus plus
4
1 times 4. Yes, good. Okay, plus 5 into 3 1 time is 3 minus 2. Okay,
yes.
So here, I think minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled in the first term. So first term is 0 plus 3 into minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 and plus 5 into 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, 3 2 times is 6. Minus 6 plus 5, that is nothing but minus 1. Okay, is it equal to 0 or not equal to 0?
Not equal to 0. So inverse exists.
Yes, very good. Okay, so here the determinant of A is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. So that means A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Okay, it is a. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to minus 1, not equal to 0. Okay, so therefore A inverse exists. A inverse exists. Okay, how to find the A inverse? How to find A inverse? Okay, so we have to find out the cofactors. Either we can find the cofactors one by one, or okay, so direct in single matrix also we can find out the cofactors. Okay, now A inverse is equals to first we find the adjoint A. Okay, so how to find adjoint A? Adjoint A is equals to
cofactor transpose.
yes, cofactor of A and transpose of that. Okay, so now once tell me what is A matrix element. Okay,
2
one.
minus 3 5.
Okay, just roughly we write here 2 minus 3 5
3 2 minus 4
3 2 minus 4
1 1 minus 2
1 1
minus 2.
minus. Okay, so just check it once again. Check the element.
Yes sir.
Okay, so 2 minus 3 5 3 2 minus 4 1 1 minus 2. Okay, so now how to find the cofactors? Okay, so we have two methods for okay, finding the cofactors. Okay, so I am using the so matrix, big matrix. Okay, I am finding. Okay, so here cofactors. So two cofactors. Okay, first I am taking the minor. Just close the row and column for this. Okay, so how to find out this? So just close the row and column. So whatever the elements left, 2 minus 4 1 minus 2, we write here 2 minus 4 1 minus 2. All these are the minors, and here minus 3 for this element. If you want the cofactor of or minor of this element, okay, close the row and column. Close the row and column. Then 3 minus 4 1 minus 2. Okay, so 3 minus 4 1 minus 2. Okay, now if we take the next element, tell me the next one, ma.
3 2 1 1
Yes, okay, so very good. 3 2 1 1. Next element.
minus 3 5 1 minus 2.
Yes, okay, so minus 3 5 1 minus 2 1 minus 2. Okay, so next if you take the next element, okay,
2 5
means
1 minus 2.
2 5 1 minus 2. Okay, so 2 5 1 minus 2. Okay, next element. Okay, if you take the next element, close the row and column. Then
2 minus
okay, 2 minus 3 1 1.
1 1.
Okay, so good. 2 minus 3 and 1 1. Okay, so next element. Okay, so closing the row and column.
Minus 3 5 2 minus 4.
Yes, minus 3 5 2 minus 4 2 minus 4. Okay, I am taking the next one. Okay, so 2 5 3 minus 4. Okay, so here it is 2 5 3 minus 4 3 minus 4. Okay, so next element, if you take the next element, 2 minus 3 3 2. Okay, 2 minus 3 3 2. Okay, these are the elements here. So these are just minors only. How to find the cofactors? Okay, for which elements we have to take okay, so positive negative sign is extra. Okay, when we compare the cofactors and minus, first one is positive, okay, second one negative, next to positive, again negative here and positive here. Positive means no need to write. Okay, and here it is negative and it is positive, next negative and positive. Either you can find out this like this, or otherwise this is A11 element minus 1 whole power I plus j, means 1 plus 1 is 2. 2
Yes.
means even means we get positive. Okay, if we take this element A, okay, 1 2 it is first row second column, minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 I plus j. 1 plus 2 is the odd number. When we get odd number, we get negative sign. We get the negative sign. Okay, now so now we have to simplify this. Okay, so no need of this A now. Okay, so here I am simplifying. So we have to take the transpose of this. Now all these are the cofactors. After changing the minus sign, so all these are the cofactors now. Okay, so now we have to find out the determinant values. Okay, so adjoint A is equals to okay, so what we get here 2 into
0.
okay, so 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 into 1. Okay.
Yes.
Can we write in this or shall we write in it? Here, just will take some extra place for the first line. Okay. So here, adjoint A is equals to, adjoint A is equals to, okay. So here 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 into 1, minus 4 into 1, okay, minus half. After that, minus half. 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into 1, minus 4 into 1, okay. So now 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1, okay. So next, minus half. For this element, we have to take extra minus half. Minus 3 into minus 2 minus 5 into 1, 5 into 1, okay. So 2 into minus 2 minus 5 into 1, okay. Next, minus half. 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1, minus 3 into 1, okay. So next, minus 3 into minus 4, minus 3 into minus 4 minus 5 into 2, 5 into 2. After that, minus half, 2 into minus 4 minus 5 into 3, 5 into 3. After that, 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3, minus 3 into 3, okay. So now, okay, so and whole transpose of, we have to take the whole transpose of, okay. So here, what is the value here? So this is nothing but adjoint A is equals, adjoint A is equals to, okay. So if you take one more step here, minus 4 minus plus 4, here minus 3, 2 times is 6, minus 6 minus plus 4, 3 minus 2, okay, good. Next, minus into minus plus 6, right?
Yes, sir.
6 minus 5, okay. Here minus 4 minus 5, minus 4 minus 5, okay. And minus of 2 minus into minus plus 3, okay. Here minus into minus plus 3, 4 times is 12, minus 10, and minus of, okay. So 2, 4 times is 8, okay, minus 8 minus 5, 3 times is 15, okay. 2, 2 times is 4, minus plus 3, 3 times is 9, okay. And transpose of this, Now this is equal to minus 4 plus 4. What is the value of minus 4 plus 4, ma'am?
0.
Very good, 0. And minus 6 plus 4.
2 plus 2.
Yes, minus 2 into minus is plus 2. Good. 3 minus 2.
1, sir.
6 minus 5.
Minus 1.
Yes. Next, minus 9 minus 4 minus 5.
Minus 9.
Minus of 2 plus 3.
Minus 5.
Yes. 12 minus 10.
2.
And minus 15 minus 8 minus 23 into minus. So we get plus 23. And 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. We are going to transpose this. Okay. If we transpose 0 to minus 0 to 1, okay. First row we have 0 to 1. Okay. So adjoint A is equal to 0 to 1. Okay. First row writing as the first column, and second row writing as second column. Minus 1 minus 9 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 9 minus 5, okay. And third row 2, 23, 30. 2, 23 and 30, okay. After transpose, okay. So This is adjoint A. This is adjoint A. Now what we have to find? We have to find the inverse mark. What is the formula for finding the A
1
inverse?
by det A into adjoint A.
Yes, very good. Okay, so A inverse is equals to 1 by det A into adjoint A. 1 by det A into adjoint A. Okay. So here 1 by det A. What is det A value here? 1 divided by det A value is -1 and adjoint A is 0, -1, 2, 2, -9, 23 and 1, -5 and 30. 1, -5 and 13. Okay. So 1 by -1 is -1. Multiply by minus inside. Okay, if you multiply by minus inside, so we get -0 means plus only here, -1 into minus plus, and okay, here it is -2 and yes, -2. Next.
9, 23, -23.
Very good. Next.
-1, 5, -13.
Very okay. This is A. This is A. Okay, till now we did the A inverse. Okay, after finding the A inverse, what he is asking in the question? Okay, here he gave some equations. Here gave some equations. We have to solve the okay. So equations by using the given system of equation. Okay, so now 2 minus 3 5 3 2 minus 4 1 1 minus 2. Okay, so next we'll take the equation. We'll take the equations. What are the given equations, ma?
2x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to 11.
Yes, given equations. Given equations are, yes, tell me, ma.
2x minus 3y plus 5z
Yes.
is equal to 11.
Okay.
3x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to -5.
-5.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Z plus y minus 2z, x
No.
plus y minus 2z is equal to -3.
Okay, so just check it once again. Okay, so 2x minus 3y minus
Sir, it's x plus y, sir.
x plus y.
Yes.
Yes, x plus y minus 2z. Okay, is equals to -3, and 3x plus 2y minus 4z minus 4z is equal to -5. Okay, so 2x minus 3y plus 5z is equals to 11. Okay, so always just to check it once and confirm. Okay, even in the exam also, just check it once again. Okay, after writing the given equations. Okay, so that you will get the correct answer. Okay, so now writing in the matrix form. How to write in the matrix form? What is matrix form? Writing in the matrix form. Writing in the matrix form. Okay, so here matrix form is nothing but Ax is equals to B. Ax is equal to B. Okay, what is A here? A is nothing but coefficient matrix. All the coefficients, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient for second equation. Okay, for third equation, x coefficient, y coefficient and z coefficient. Okay, all the coefficients we have in this. Okay, A and x. X means variable matrix, that is x, y, z. That is x, y, z. And constant B is 11 minus 5 minus 3. Okay, this is a constant matrix. Okay, by comparing. Okay, by comparing with Ax is equals to B. Okay, so what is A matrix? 2 minus 3, 5. Okay, so A is equals to 2 minus 3, 5.
So here we do directly A inverse into B, sir. Then we'll get the answer.
Yes. It's correct. 2 minus 3, 5. And 3, 2 minus 4. 3, 2 minus 4. Okay. And 1, 1 minus 2. 1, 1 minus 2. And what is x here? X is nothing but x, y, z. variable matrix, x, y, z. And what is B constant matrix? What is B, ma? 11 minus 5 minus 3. 11 minus 5 minus 3. After this, okay. So we know the matrix form, right?
Yes, sir.
We know Ax is equals to B. Ax is equals to B. Okay. So here usually we find the det A and we find the A inverse from here onwards. But in this question, okay, already we did the A inverse part. Already we did the A inverse part. Already we know the A inverse. That's why. So we are going to do it directly. Okay. So this Ax is equals to B. Okay. For this Ax is equals to B, I am going to multiply. Okay. So by A inverse in the left side as well as the right side.
Yes.
Left side as well as right side, multiplying by A inverse on both sides. What we are doing here, multiplying by A inverse on both the sides. Okay. So now here A inverse into A is equals to A inverse into A is equals to I. It is
I.
identity matrix. It is identity matrix, and into X is equals to A inverse into B. A inverse into B. Here the formula, what formula we used here? A inverse into A is equals to I, identity matrix. Okay, when we multiply a matrix with its inverse, always we get the identity matrix. Okay, now I into X. If you take the I into X, that is X. That is X only. Okay, so any matrix, if you multiply with the identity matrix, we get X as it is. X is equals to A inverse into B. Okay, already we know the A inverse matrix. Already we know the A inverse matrix. What is A inverse matrix? Okay, so here A inverse. This is only the A inverse matrix. Okay. 0, 1, minus 2, 0, 1, minus 2, and minus 2, 9, minus 23. Okay, minus 2, 9, minus 23, and minus 1, 5, minus 30. Minus 1, 5, minus 30. This is A inverse matrix. This is A inverse matrix. And what is
I
B
got the
matrix?
answer.
B matrix. What is B ma? 11 minus 5 minus 3. So now we have to multiply here. Okay, so how do we multiply? Rows with columns, right?
Yes.
Is it done, ma? Already
Yes,
did.
sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, good, super. Okay, so here first row with first column, second row with first column, and third row with first column. We multiply. Okay, so that means what we get here. Okay, so 0 into 11 plus 1 into minus 5 minus 2 into minus 3. Next element, minus 2 into 11 plus
15
9 into
minus 5
minus 5 minus 23
into minus 3.
Very good. Next,
Minus 1 into 11 plus 5 into minus 5 minus 13 minus 12 minus
Ah.
3. Sorry.
Good. Okay. So now 0 into 11. 0 into 11. How much we get, ma?
0, sir. Minus 5 plus 6.
Okay. So here, to take the next step, what we get? X
Minus
is
5
equal
plus
to
6.
X is equal to, yes, 0 minus 5 and minus 6, right? Next, minus 22 and minus 45 minus to minus plus 23 3 times. How much case, ma? 69. Okay, and minus 11 minus 25 and 13 3 times. Minus to minus plus.
Yes.
Yes. Finally, what is the answer?
X is 1.
Okay, X, capital X is nothing but it is a variable matrix, X, Y, Z only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yes, what we are getting here?
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Okay, so this is the, okay, so here value, and what is the final solution here? Okay, this is the matrix here. When the two matrices are equal, then corresponding elements also equal. Okay, equating the corresponding elements. Okay,
X is
by
equal to
equating corresponding element. Okay, so then we get the solution. Then we get the solution, required solution.
yes.
Okay, so therefore the required solution, X is equals to 1, Y is equal to 2, and Z is equals to 3. This is the required solution.
Yes.
Okay, so trigonometry. So what we have in the trigonometry? Trigonometry is one of the most important chapter. Okay, and when we compare with the other chapters on trigonometry, so it is a little bit different. Okay, so we have to learn in the different way. Okay, means in trigonometry, whatever the formula we are learning, so they are interlinked with one another. Okay, and first start, okay, for whatever the formula we are learning in the starting of the chapter, those formula again we may use in the first exercise, second exercise, third exercise, fourth exercise, any of the, okay, so question in any of the place. Okay, but other chapters are not like that. If we take one formula, we use in one exercise only. Okay, so for that exercise we use that formula, that method, that concept. Okay, again next exercise, next formula, next method, next concept, one more. Okay, so like that. Okay, so but in trigonometry it is not like that, interlinked with each another. Okay, each other. Okay, one other. Okay, that's why we have to be perfect with the maximum number of formula. Okay, if you are perfect with the maximum formula, so we are going to be perfect with the trigonometry. And what is trigonometry? So trigonometry is a combination of three words: trigonometry. Trigonometry. So tri is nothing but three, gono is nothing but angles. Angles. Metry means measurement. Metry means measurement. Okay, so in the trigonometry we are going to learn the measurement of three angles. And in the trigonometry, okay, mostly we discuss about the right angled triangle. Mostly we discuss about the right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle?
90 degrees.
Okay, so in a triangle, if one angle is 90 degrees, then the triangle is right angle triangle. Here this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so that's why, okay, so this is the right angle triangle. Related to right angle triangle, we have one famous theorem. Okay?
Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? What is Pythagoras theorem?
AB minus BC is equal to AC. AB square minus BC square is equal to AC square.
Okay, okay. So hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. You can remember. Okay, so anyway, okay, here AC square. Here, what is hypotenuse? Here, hypotenuse is AC. This is hypotenuse. Whatever we have the base, this base is, okay, so BC is a base here, and height. What is height here? Height is AB. Okay, so which way is better? AC square. Okay, so few students they learn as hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square, and few more students they learn as hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus height square. Okay, few students they learn as hypotenuse square is equals to adjacent side square plus opposite side square, and few students they learn as AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, which is correct? Everyone is correct. Everyone is correct. Whatever you want, you can learn. Which is better way to learn, to remember? Which is better way? So this is a better way to remember. Okay.
Yes.
Why this is better here? Why this is better? Okay, sometimes always remember hypotenuse is always hypotenuse only. Whatever it is perpendicular opposite to 90 degrees. Okay, the side whatever we have opposite to 90 degrees, that is a longest side in
Yes,
the
sir.
right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, that is only hypotenuse here. That is only hypotenuse. Okay. But sometimes here this AC is hypotenuse. Sometimes AB may be hypotenuse. Sometimes BC is hypotenuse. So based on the situation, based on the question, it's based on the question. Okay. So that's why this is the better way to remember. Okay. So what is the formula once again? Pythagoras theorem.
Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square.
Yes, very good. And what is the use of this? When we know the two sides, any two sides, we can find the third side by using the, okay, so Pythagoras theorem. For example, okay, so I know the two values. Okay, so in triangle ABC, okay, angle B is equals to 90 degrees. That means AC is the hypotenuse. Sometimes we'll give as angle A is equals to 90 degrees. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So whatever it is opposite to that, that is hypotenuse. Remember. Okay. So angle B is equals to 90 degrees and AB is equals to some AB is equals to, okay, so 3 and BC is equal to 4. Then what is AC? Then what is AC? Okay, so what is the formula here? Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square is the formula, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, by using this, okay, base, what is base here? Base AB. Okay, so here base square plus height square, 4 square plus 3 square, 4 square is 9, 3 square, okay, 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 4 square 16 plus 9 is 25. So hypotenuse square is equals to 25. Hypotenuse is equals to
Root 25, which is 5.
Okay, so that means so root,
5.
we can write it as 5 square. So hypotenuse is 5. Okay, so
Yes.
that means AC is equals to hypotenuse is equal to 5. So like this, we can find any side. When we know the two sides, we can find the third side. Not only the hypotenuse. Okay, if you know the hypotenuse, just substitute the hypotenuse value. Okay, and find the height or base also. Okay, so like this we can find. And what are the trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratio. For more educational videos on CBSE, ISC, State Board and Intermediate as well as IIT-JEE, BITSAT, EAMCET, please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes. Thank you for watching. Have a great preparation.